Greetings from Colorado. My name is Dustin, and I just want to share my quick experience that I've had with CheapLandFarm.com and Bei Zhang. It's been such a great experience to deal with them. They helped me throughout the whole process from the beginning to the end and even afterwards. From the beginning, Bei worked with me on payment plans and a down payment and all the financing options. She made it really easy and very flexible to work with. And then she gave me the GPS coordinates with maps and specific instructions for the land that I purchased out here in Colorado. And I was able to do everything online. So it was a very smooth process from signing all the documents, sending them online, and she even worked with me afterwards to get land authorization forms. So I would highly recommend CheapLandFarm.com and Bei Zhang. She's awesome to work with. Thank y'all so much. Blessings.